Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare the coolest tech so you don't waste your hard-earned cash. Today, we have a drone showdown that's about to take flight. On the left, we have the nimble and nifty DroneEYE F10, and on the right, the sleek and sophisticated iStone F5. Buckle up, folks, because things are about to get airborne. First up, let's talk about the price. The DroneEYE F10 comes in at a budget-friendly $79. That's right, just $79. Cheaper than a fancy dinner date, and way more fun unless your date can fly. Now, the iStone F5 is a bit more, shall we say, premium, at $119. For that price, it better come with a personal butler or at least a drone pilot license. Next, let's dive into camera quality. Both drones boast 1080p FPV cameras, but the DroneEYE F10 offers smooth FPV transmission within a range of up to 120 meters. So you can spy on your neighbors, enjoy the beautiful scenery from a safe distance. On the other hand, the iStone F5 has a 1080p HD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having your own personal helicopter camera crew, minus the annoying rotor noise. Plus, you can share those epic shots instantly on social media. Hashtag drone goals, anyone? However, reviewers have noted that while the DroneEYE F10's camera is stable, it doesn't quite hit the 1080p mark, and the iStone F5's camera tends to be grainy and laggy. Now, let's talk flight time. The DroneEYE F10 doesn't specify its flight time, but with that price, you might be looking at short and sweet flights. The iStone F5, however, flexes with up to 30 minutes of flight time, thanks to its 2 rechargeable batteries. That's enough time to film an entire episode of your life in drone view. Just make sure you don't catch anything embarrassing. Reviewers have also mentioned that the DroneEYE F10 has a decent battery life for its price, whereas the iStone F5's extended flight time is a major plus. Ease of use is a biggie, especially if you're like me and can barely operate a toaster. The DroneEYE F10 is perfect for beginners with its one-key start landing button and 3-speed options. It's basically the drone equivalent of training wheels. Meanwhile, the iStone F5 is loaded with beginner-friendly features like headless mode, one-key start landing, and even hand gesture photo/video. It's so easy, even your grandma could fly it, and maybe start her own drone vlog. Reviewers appreciate the DroneEYE F10 for its simple controls and stability, while the iStone F5 is praised for its additional features but criticized for its poor instructions. Finally, let's discuss portability. The DroneEYE F10 is foldable and compact, perfect for slipping into your backpack or your oversized coat pocket. For those spontaneous drone adventures. The iStone F5 takes it up a notch with its ultra-portable design and included carrying case. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, just without the knife. Or the Swiss. Reviewers find the DroneEYE F10 easy to carry around, while they love the iStone F5 for its carrying case, making it even more travel-friendly. Overall, the DroneEYE F10 is praised for its affordability, stable flight, and user-friendly features, though it has mixed reviews on camera quality and some reported malfunctions. The iStone F5, while offering advanced features and extended flight time, has received criticism for its camera quality, poor instructions, and occasional connectivity issues. So there you have it, folks. The DroneEYE F10 versus the iStone F5. Both have their pros and cons, but it all comes down to what you're looking for. Budget-friendly fun with the F10 or high-tech, extended flights with the F5. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.